Hello students, welcome back to chemistry class. This is online learning platform by Santosh sir. So here you will see the concepts of mole, molecular mass and atomic mass and molecular mass, molar mass, etc. So through this you will get the concept. Please watch this video.
These three terms: atomic mass, molecular mass, and molar mass. Atomic mass is mass of one atom, एक single atom का mass. Number two, molecular mass, which is mass of single molecule.
And molar mass is mass of 1 mole of substance. Mass of 1 mole equals 6.022 10 to the power 23 particles. Here. Okay. Here. So what you got? Atomic mass, molecular mass, and molar mass. Let's see atomic mass and molecules, atoms and molecules. Here, gram atomic mass and gram atomic molecule mass. Gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass. Here, so you can see this basic nitrogen atomic mass and molecular mass. Atomic mass here. So atomic mass represented in U and gram. Atomic mass
what is a mole? You might be excited to know what is a mole and what is the value. So mole is just numerical value. Mole is just numerical value. If we write 1 mole just write 1 mole equal 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. This is 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, here. Like this, if I have another example here, like this, if I wrote 1 dozen, so it equal to 12 P6, like this we can write here, P6. So 1 mole value is also equal 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. If I wrote 1 mole atom, so that will be 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. If I wrote molecule, so that will be molecule. If I wrote ions, that will be ions. Okay, so this is the numerical value. 1 mole equal numerical value. Here, so we have started from carbon. We have taken carbon as a standard atom. So here we will start also carbon from carbon. So you might be knowing that carbon. Yes, carbon. Okay. So here, how many protons are 6 proton and 6 neutron and what is 6 electrons also. Okay. For molar mass, just for molar mass, we add proton plus neutron. We don't add value of electron because electron is being smaller, it is negligible. So we don't add the value of this. We don't add the value of electron while we are calculating the mass of one carbon atom. Molar mass of one carbon atom, if we are calculating, we will not add this. And what is the value of one proton? One proton equal 1.67. Just to see 67 into 10 to the power 24. This minus 24 and one neutron value also is there. This approximate, not exact, but we are taking it approximate. So this is also 1.6. 7 into 10 to the power minus 24. Got it? Yeah. Now, if we calculate the mass of this two, and this we have already discussed. This 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24. We have already discussed. This is equal to 1 AMU. Do you remember it? 1 AMU here. Okay, so let us see here if we are calculating the mass of one carbon. Just follow see here at the board. One carbon, so 6 into 10, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 24 plus 6 into 1.767 into 10 to the power minus 24. Here this is another. Okay, so if you will get here, we will add both. We will get 12 into, just to see, 1.7. Along see here, 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24. And in place of this, what we can write? What we can write? I wrote here. What is the value of this? AM. In place of that, so what we can write here? Just we can write 12 AMU. What we can write? 12 AMU. Here we have calculated. Understood this? And next, if you see here, just to see. So if we see here, mass of one, okay, mass of carbon we have calculated. Mass of carbon. So mass of, we can write mass of one carbon atom. That's all you see. Mass of one carbon atom is equal to 12 AMU. AMU. So 1 AMU equal 1 AMU equal 1 upon 12 into mass of one carbon atom. This we have already defined. 1 AMU definition that we have already discussed is what is the value of
1 mole equal 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. 1 AMU equal 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24.
1 AMU, and that is define it. The value of 1 AMU may be defined as the is equal to the 1/12 part of the mass of the carbon 12 atom. Okay, so this we have already defined it. And next, I am going to see here. Just you got it. This much you have understood this or not? Is it clear? Yes. So next, I am moving there. Just all of see. I am going to calculate one question answer. You have to write here. So should I write it? Yes, I will write it. So I am asking you to write it here. Mass of, just all of see, mass of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon. Just all of see, atoms of carbon. I am asking to calculate the mass of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon. So you might be knowing what this value is equal to. Just all of see, this value is equal to 1 mole. It is equal to 1 mole. 1 mole equal 6 point. Just all of 6.023 to 10 to the power 23. Just all of see. Here what we have to calculate? Mass of this much atom. Mass of this much atom. So it is equal to 1 mole. We can write. Can we write 1 mole? Yes. Can we write? Yes, this value is equal to 1. So if I write here 1 mole carbon atom equal, what will be? 6.23 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon. Atoms of carbon. And what we have to calculate? Mass of one carbon atom previously before this means before this topic we have calculated mass of carbon atom 12 AMU. Yes or no? We have already calculated mass of one carbon atom. So what I can do, just to see here, I wrote this 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. What I can write into mass of carbon atom. So what I can mass of carbon atoms of carbon. So one carbon atom mass is that much. So I can write 12 AMU. AMU. And next I can write like this 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into 12. And what is the value of AMU? You might be remembering here. What is the value? That is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24. Got it? 10 to the power minus 24 gram. We have calculated. Here, if we will solve, so we will get 12 gram. What is that? 12 gram, or you can say gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. Just to see, we can say 12 gram atomic mass. So what we got? 1 mole carbon atom mass is equal to 12 gram. What we got? 1 mole carbon atom mass is equal to 12 gram or gram atomic mass. We can say gram atomic mass and 12 gram. We can say. So what you got? 1. Just to listen. 1 mole carbon atoms mass is equal to mass of 1 carbon. Mass of 1 carbon atom. Then we can say the mass of 1 mole of any species. The mass of 1 mole of any species is known as molar mass. Here we can say molar mass. What we can say? Molar mass. Just let us see here. Mass of 1 mole of any species is equal to molar mass of the species. Understanding this? Here, mass of 1 mole of any species is equal to molar mass of the species. Here, molar mass means 1 gram, 1 mole carbon atom mass is equal to 12 grams. Okay, just to see 12 grams. So, what we have calculated? Just all of us see here. What we got? So, how we can define molar mass? How we can define molar mass? It is in topic here, mole concept and molar mass. So, what will be the definition of molar mass? Mass of 1 mole of any species. Mass of 1 mole of any species is known as molar mass. Here, we can write. This definition can be done. Molar mass here. Mass of 1 mole of any species is known as molar mass. Molar mass. Mass of 1 mole of any species is known as molar mass. This is the definition of molar mass. Okay. And here, if you see some more part about it, molar mass. So here we will see how the atoms are related to moles, and with the help of moles, how we can calculate the number of atoms present in a given amount. So that we will discuss here. So let us see that topic we will discuss here. Okay. So this is clear. Molar mass definition clear. I think it is clear. The mass of 1 mole of any species is known as molar mass. Okay. And here we have calculated. So molar mass means molar mass of carbon is what is molar mass of carbon is what is 12 grams. Molar mass of carbon 12 grams and atomic mass are molar mass. We can write any. One point you remember here, if we are taking here, just If molecule is there, we will say molecule. If ion is there, we will say ion. If atom is there, we will say atoms. Okay, so this you remember it. Okay, here. So we got. So sir, related to this, some question we can solve, then things will be clear here. One question here. Anybody has doubt about this? So one question I will write here, just for your information here. If I ask 1 mole of carbon atoms equal, what will be? 1 mole of carbon equal will be 6.23 10 to the power 23 atoms. Okay, 1 mole. If in place of this I wrote 1 mole of nitrogen atom, so that will be this one is 6.023 to the power 23 atoms. Here. Okay. Now question is arising that how to solve some numerical.
Mass of 1 mole of substance is known as molar mass. What? Mass of 1 mole of substance is known as molar mass.
Numericals. So let us solve some numerical. Here. Based on this. Question is this. Find the number of moles of carbon present in 48 grams of carbon. Person, got it? Find the number.
Sir,
Find the number of moles of carbon present in 48 grams of carbon. So you know that.
Sir, 4.
Let me see here. Is here 1 mole carbon. 1 mole carbon. Mass equal. How much was that? That was 12 grams. Yes, that was 12. So what we can write here? 12 grams. What we can write? 12 grams equal 1 mole. Can we write like this? 12 grams equal 1 mole. So 1 gram equal, what is that? 1 upon 12 and in 48 grams. In 48 grams, what will be? Here 1 by 12 into 48, and we will cancel out this 4. So number of moles is 4 moles. 4 moles of carbon. 4 moles of carbon. Just let us see here. Till here, any doubt? Anybody has doubt about this?
No, sir.
Let us see here. What we got? Just let us see here. 4 moles of carbon. So here we have calculated moles. So from here we got one formula. What formula we got? With the help of this, we can calculate number of moles present in a given amount. So what formula we got from here? Number of moles. Just let us see. Number of moles. Moles equal. Just let us see. Number of moles equal mass in gram per minute. Let me write here. So I'm writing here mole equal mass in gram upon molar mass. molar mass. Molar mass. This formula we got here, and with the help of this we will solve some questions. So let us see some questions here. Yes, we have to remember it. Yes, we have to remember. So one more question I am writing there. Just let us see. I will try to understand this. Here, question is this. Question is this. Here, find number of moles of oxygen atom present.
Mole equal mass of substance in gram divided by molar mass.
In find. Solve it. Find number of moles of oxygen, number of moles of oxygen atom, here, atom present in, allow us see here, present in 54 grams of oxygen. 64 grams of oxygen. So here number of moles. Simple formula we are knowing here. Number of moles of oxygen equal what will be number of moles of oxygen equal what will be equal given mass in gram divided by molar mass. So how much is given there? Just let us see here. How much is given? 64 gram. It is given here. 64 gram given here. And molar mass of oxygen is what is 16. Molar mass of oxygen is 16. So you can what is that? 4 moles. 4 moles of oxygen. 4 moles of oxygen. Here, I have a look at this. Some changes I am going to do here. What if I am asking you number of oxygen atoms? Number of oxygen atoms. So what will be number of oxygen atoms? What will be that?
Sir, 4 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23.
Yes, number of moles, because we know that 1 mole value is, what is 1 mole value? We know that 1 mole equal, what is 1 mole equal 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So if I am asking in this same question, number of oxygen atoms. So in place of this one, we can write that we can write here, and this will be 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, and after multiplying you will get the values. So how to calculate number of moles here? Some more questions we can solve here, and we have solved here on the basis of just atom we have taken oxygen. So if I change this question, find the number of moles of O2 here. Just have you seen it? Have you seen it? Yes. So if I ask find the number of moles of oxygen here, oxygen is O2. O2 present in 64 grams. So what will be the value?
2 mole.
How we can solve it? Mass of O2. What is the mass of O2? That is 32 gram. Do you know this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Means O.
Yes, sir.
O.
Yes, sir.
Gram. But O2 is 32 grams. Okay. So if we are going to calculate here molar mass, here we will write in place of molar mass. We can write molar mass. Otherwise, we can write molecular mass. Both can be used. Molecular mass. Okay, can be used molecular mass. So what will be the value here? Just what I will see here. What will be the value? How much gram is there? 64 gram. 64 gram divided by what is 32. Then what is that? What is
2.
2 moles of O2 molecule. Just let me see here. One more question I am going to put here. If I ask number of molecules of O2, what will be? Number of molecules of O2, what will be? Are you getting me? Here, just all of you many things are not able to understand here. Just we have calculated all of you look here. Number of O2 molecules. So number of O2 molecules here is that 2 moles of O2 molecules. But if I ask number of O2 molecules, here number of O2 moles is there. Number of O2 moles is there. Sorry, 2 moles of O2 it is. If I ask you molecules, number of molecules, so we will multiply this by 6.023 to 10 to the power 23, and that will be equal to number of molecules of oxygen present in 64 gram of oxygen. Got it? Here, some one more question I'm adding here. Just let us see and try to follow. Here. Just find number of moles of nitrogen. I am writing in nitrogen. We don't think that nitrogen in 70 grams of oxygen. Got it? So for this we have to calculate moles. And what is the formula for moles? Given mass in gram divided by molar mass. So number of moles of, just to see, find number of moles of nitrogen in 70 gram. So we can write number of moles of oxygen, sorry, nitrogen in number of moles of nitrogen. So number of moles, and is the right formula here. Let me write moles formula. What is that? Moles formula first you see. Moles formula. Given mass in gram divided by molar mass. This is the formula of moles for any compound intermediates, not for this. This is the formula. So if I wrote here, how much I taken? 70 grams. 70 upon, here we can write number of moles of nitrogen in number of moles of nitrogen. Here 70 upon, what is that? 14. Yes, and what is 5 moles? 5 moles. Okay, so this is the 5 moles. If I ask here some more questions from this, so question will be like this. Here, other question. If I ask you, just all of you see this question is clear or not?
Yes,
Are you getting me?
No, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, just all of you see 2 time. Here,
Yes, sir.
question clear or not?
Sir, no, sir.
Find
Sir,
number.
please tell once more.
Yes,
Sir, please
your sound is breaking. Here, just I am repeating. Just listen. Here, question is this: number find number of moles of nitrogen in 70 grams of nitrogen. Nitrogen. Okay. Yeah, this is the question. This number of moles of nitrogen we have to find in
And now
70
clear.
of nitrogen. So for this we have to calculate moles. What is the formula of moles? Mole equal given mass in gram divided by molar mass. So here, what is the molar mass of nitrogen? Nitrogen molar mass is, what is that? Nitrogen molar mass is 15. Nitrogen molar mass is 14. And we will calculate here. So number of moles equal given mass in gram by the molar mass. So given mass, how much is that? How much is that? 70 gram here. 70 gram. I put this. And molar mass of nitrogen is 14. I divide 5 moles of nitrogen are present in 70 grams of nitrogen. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I change here. One point I want to change here. If I ask you, here nitrogen I wrote. If I wrote N2, if I am writing here N2, then what will be answer? Can you calculate and tell me answer? Do it fast. Calculate and tell me answer. What will be?
So 2.5 moles.
So here we will calculate mass with number of moles of N2. N2 here. How much is that? 70 gram we have taken here. Yes or no? 70 gram we have taken, and mass of N2. What is the mass of N2? What is that? Mass of N2 what will be? 28.
28.
Okay. Mass of nitrogen N is
Sir,
14.
5 by 2.
28. So we will divide it by 28. So what will be the answer of this? What will be?
2.5 moles.
2.5 moles of N2. You remember it? 2.5 moles of N2. So like these questions you have to solve. One more question I am going to give you. Please try to solve it here. Just let us see here. Based on this is the basic for you. It is very important for you. Okay. So here I will change here. Just let us see. Find the number of carbon atoms. Carbon atoms. Just you see the question. Find the number of carbon atoms present in 84 grams of carbon.
7 mole.
Carbon. So what is the formula for this? If formula will follow there. Just what I am asking, just listen. Number of atoms. I am asking. Number of atoms I am asking. Not
7 into 6.02 into 10 to 23.
Number, just all of this know that number of moles equal given mass in gram and molecular mass. Just I am writing here. Molar mass. Here, in place of molecular mass or atomic mass, it is better to write molar mass. Always write molar. Molar mass. So here molar mass, and I wrote this here. Given mass is how much is 84 and divided by here 12. So this will be 7 moles. This will be 7 moles of carbon. Yes or no? Getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And you know that 1 mole equal 6.23 into 10 to the power 23. So 7 moles equal what will be 7 into
7 into
6.023 into 10 to the power 23 here atoms. So understood this? So like this question you can solve it, and you remember it if it is asking in molecule or number of molecules are moles or number of atoms. So all type of questions we have started. In some questions we have calculated number of moles, in some number of molecules, in some number of atoms percent. Last question is based number of atoms is being asked. So in each case, if a number of molecule is being asked, number of atom is being asked, or number of moles is being asked. First, we have to calculate number of moles. Now, after number of moles, we will multiply by 6.023. Then that will change into number of molecules or number of atoms. So like that we have done here. Just we have done here. So you can do it. And please try to solve these questions again. Then the topic will be clear. No more questions are given in your book, but I noted this question from somewhere else. So try to understand this is the concept of mole. Okay, and we have to discuss that molar mass and molar mass. So molar mass of any species is equal to 1 mole mass of given species. That may be atom, that may be molecule, or that may be ions also. Okay, and we have calculated from here we got one formula that number of moles equal. It will help you forever. This moles in 12th class also it will help you, and further calculation it will also help you calculate. So clear it, number of moles how we will calculate, and number of atoms how we can calculate. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has doubt about these topics what I taught?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir,
Who's that?
difference between molar mass and molecular mass.
Molar mass means we can write here formula molar mass. It is better to write molar mass. If molecules we are taking, we are calculating molecules, then we will write here molecular mass. And if atoms are being taken, so we will write atomic mass. Okay, gram atomic mass or mass we can write here. And if we are taking like this N2, here in previous question we have calculated. So there in place of molar mass we can write molecular mass also. And molecule is the molecular mass is the mass of one molecule, and atomic mass is mass of one atom. Like this, I put somewhere else. Just you see here, nitrogen. I have 14 now. So this is the mass of one atom. This nitrogen. But if I wrote this N2, so this is 28. This is the mass of one and two molecule.
2 atoms.
Means in one, 2 atoms are there. So we can 1 and 2 molecule. One molecule mass is this, and one atom mass is that. And in one molecules of nitrogen, there are 2 hydrogen. So we can say also like this. Means this is equal to mass of 2 nitrogen atoms. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has more doubt about this topic? So try to solve some more questions related to this, and tomorrow we will start here percentage composition. Okay, tomorrow we will start. Okay, so anybody has doubt about these topics what I taught?
No, sir.
No.
Anybody?
No, sir.
Shivam,
No, sir.
Rajshri?
No, sir.
Okay, so I am going to wind up this class. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.